Here's a little sneak peek. We're going to do a simple swipe and use the magic comb and the scary skewer. Welcome to Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. Come on, let's go.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half-mile past where we ran out of gas years ago. So I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling to go. If you're reading this now, please remember the good times we had. Don't forget about the moments we tried, we cried, or we laughed. There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow. Just know I had good reason to go if you're reading this now. I spent too many nights with the lights out, replaying this scene where we share the same space, the same beautiful place in my dreams. And I kick at the walls, I keep tripping on old memories, and I try to sing along to the song on this old record machine, but I can't get the words to come out right. I forget this old melody. If you're reading this now, know I'm wondering how things will be if I bump into you, or the things that you do when I leave. There's a million little things that I'll miss. Just know that somehow you don't need another reason to leave me if you're reading this now. I look into your eyes and the world fades away. Your laughter's like sunshine on a cloudy day. Every step you take, every dream you chase, you light up my life in your own little way.
Can you turn it off to me? Yeah. Little first come over. Oh, he hates it.
You bring me more joy
Look handsome.
than words can explain.
Welcome to the world, Reese.
You make me smile with every hug, with every mile. No storm too strong, no road too wide. With you by my side, I'm filled with pride.